Hi grammar lovers, welcome to English Grammar Quiz 17. Can you score 25/25? Let's see how many did you guess right? What's a smarter word for very cold? Is it freezing, frosty, icy, or glacial? Correct answer is freezing. Choose the best word for very tired, sleepy, exhausted, dozy, or lazy. It's exhausted. Don't forget to like the video. Instead of very big, which word fits best? Enormous, huge, immense, or massive? It's enormous. What's a stronger word than very good? Great, excellent, fine, or awesome? Correct choice, excellent. Pick a sharper word for very bad: awful, mean, ugly, or rough. Yes, awful is right. Replace very happy with cheerful, delighted, joyful, or bright. Delighted is the best choice. What word is stronger than very small? Petite, thin, tiny, or minuscule? Minuscule is the right answer. Stay focused. What's another word for very hungry? Starving, eating, famished, or needy? Famished is correct. Don't forget to subscribe. Choose the smart word for very fast: rapid, speedy, swift, or quick. Rapid is the winner. Which word means very scared? Alarmed, terrified, startled, or fearful? Terrified is the answer. Pick the best word for very angry: enraged, upset, furious, or mad. Furious is the correct one. Instead of very clean, what's the best word? Neat, spotless, orderly, or bright? Spotless is right.